So today I'm going to talk about Euclid 2021 problem number 3. So starting off with A. In the diagram, PQRS is a quadrilateral. What is its perimeter? So first we must find the side length of this quadrilateral. We can start with finding side length of PQ. We can draw a right triangle here. And we know that this length is 5 and this length for this side is 12. And then we can use Pythagorean theorem. So we will have PQ is equal to the square root of 12 squared plus 5 squared, which is equal to 13. And we can note that this is the same for every other side. So we can just multiply this by 4 to get the perimeter. 13 times 4 is equal to 52. So that's the answer for A. Moving on to B. In the diagram, A has coordinates 0, 8. Also, the midpoint of AB is M, 3, 9. And the midpoint of BC is N, 7, 6. What is the slope of AC? So first we can use the coordinates of points A and M to find the coordinates of B. So finding the coordinate of B, we can see that horizontally from A to M, we have a distance of 3. So this way, distance of 3. So the distance from M to B horizontally is also 3. So the x-coordinate of B would be 3 plus 3. Coordinate of B, x is 3 plus 3. And the y-coordinate, vertically from point A to M is a distance of 1. So from M to B is also a distance of 1. So 9 plus 1. So now we have the coordinate of B. So B we have 6, 10. And now we're trying to find the coordinate of C. Now we have the coordinate of B and N, we can find the coordinate of C. So the coordinate of C, same logic as finding the coordinate of B. So it would be 7 plus 1 and 6 minus 4. So the coordinate of C is 8, 2. Now, using coordinate of A and C, we can find the slope of AC. So for A, we have 0, 8. And C, we have 8, 2. So slope is equal to the change in y over the change in x. So we have 8 minus 2 over negative 8, which is equal to negative 3 over 4. So that's the slope for AC. Moving on to C. The parabola with the equation y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus c has vertex V 118. The parabola intersects the y-axis at D and the x-axis at E and F. Determine the area of the triangle DEF. So first, let's draw us a diagram. We have this parabola looking somewhat like that. And we have the intercepts. So this would be point E, this is point D, and that is F. And now we have a triangle inside here. Okay, so that is going to be somewhat like the diagram. And it's not a great diagram, but the vertex is here, which is 118. We can substitute in the point V, which is 118, to find the constant C in the equation. And with the equation, we can easily find all the other coordinates, E, D, and F. So first, let's try to find C. We have the equation, now plugging in the point. So 18 is equal to negative 2 plus 4 plus C. C is equal to 18 plus 2 minus 4, which is equal to 16. So we have the equation is negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 16. D is the y-intercept. This is when x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 16. So point D, we have 0, 16. And E and F are the x-intercept, and this is when y is equal to 0. So we have 0 is equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 60. So we can factor this. We have 0 is equal to negative 2, x minus 4, x plus 2, x is equal to 4, and negative 2. So first, the area of triangle is equal to the base times height over 2. And the base would be EF. B is equal to EF, which is equal to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. We can mark the coordinates here. This is negative 2, this is 4, so the base would be 6. So then we're trying to find the height. The height is just DO. So this DO 16. So the height is equal to DO, which is equal to 16. So the area of this triangle, the area of triangle DEF is equal to 1/2 6 times 16, which is equal to 48. And that is the final answer. That's it for this video. I hope that was helpful.